Right. We have been discussing primary books. Lesson 4. Think there are two types of accounting available: financial accounts as well as management accounts. We have to discuss there are 16 lessons, and out of 16, 12 lesson financial accounts, balance 4 lesson relevant for management account parts. Think there are 4 organizations we have to discuss on the level. 4 organizations: sole proprietorships, partnerships, company, not for profit making organization. And there are 3 types of business available: trading business, service business, as well as manufacturing business. Our duty in accounting, we are going to provide information about the business organization to the interest party. For provide information to the interest party, we have to prepare financial statement. Therefore, under financial accounts, we are going to discuss how to prepare financial statement each and every business organization. Think lesson 4, we have been discussing how to prepare financial statement each and every business organization. Think from the beginning, all the business organization changes in resource of the business organization should be recognized as a transaction and events. Then information should be collected by using source documents. After that, information should be recorded in the ledger accounts. Source documents. Third step, information should be recorded in the prime in the books. Then information included in the prime in the books should be recorded in the ledger accounts. By closing ledger accounts, trial balance should be prepared. Trial balance. Then after that, if trial balance is not equal, error correction part. After that adjustment, then you have to know how to prepare financial statement each and every business organization. Right. First one thing is stakeholders of the business organization. Try to get idea from the beginning. 3 types of business available. 3 types of business: trading business, service business, as well as manufacturing business. Manufacturing. Think lesson 7, manufacturing accounts. There are more manufacturing business available. Therefore, you have to know how to prepare financial statement, manufacturing business also. An organization mainly can be divided by 2 parts: profit making organization as well as non-profit organization. Profit making organization further can be divided by 3 parts: sole proprietorships, only one owner is available, and partnerships, more than 2 owners available, as well as company, owners of the company, shareholders. There are more shareholders available. Companies, lesson 12. A paper question number 1, compulsory. Relevant for lesson 12, company. Those are the organizations we are going to discuss on the level. Think non-profit organization, profit making organization, sole proprietorships, partnerships, company. And those are the type of business: trading business, example supermarkets. And think there are more trading business available: purchase and sales, main transaction available in the trading business. Service business, they provided service. And manufacturing business, think manufacturing process available. Think car manufacturing business, mobile phone manufacturing business, and computers manufacturing business, garment factories. There are more manufacturing business available. Our duty in accounting, we are going to provide information to the interest party. Think employee, customer, those are the interest party: employee, customer, supplier, manager, financial institutes, government institutes. Those are called interest party of the business organization. For provide information to the interest party, we have to prepare financial statement, income statement, statement of financial position, statement of change in equity, statement of cash flow, accounting policies, and notes. Those are the things we have to prepare to provide information to the interest party. Those are called financial statement. Financial statement includes assets, liability, income, expense, as well as equity, capital available. Elements of financial statement. I think we are going to discuss on the level how to prepare financial statement, those kind of business organization. You have to know how to prepare financial statement, trade in business, service business, manufacturing business, sole proprietorships, partnerships, company, as well as non-profit organization. All the business organization, when they are going to prepare financial statement, this is a path. This is the way you have to think. Think practically. Subject relevant for the business. Think about business, type of organization, ultimate objective, think financial statement, elements of financial statement, then think process. All the business organization. Think from the beginning, changes in resource of the business organization during the accounting periods. Think this is a business organization, this is the accounting period. End of the 31st March 2024. Annually, information should be provided under financial accounts. It started from 1st April 23. Therefore, this is called accounting periods. Therefore, from the beginning, changes in resource of the business organization during the accounting period should be recognized as a transaction and events. Second one, information should be collected by using source documents. After that, information should be recorded in the prime and books. Then information should be recorded in the ledger accounts. By closing ledger account, trial balance should be prepared. If trial balance is not equal, error correction. After that adjustment, then preparing financial statement. All the business organization. Think process. This is our ultimate objective. For provide information to the interest party, we have to prepare financial statement. It is include assets, liability, income, expense, and equity. Those are called elements of financial statement. Therefore, this is the path. From the beginning, changes in resource of the business organization during the accounting period should be recognized as a transaction and events. Then, information should be collected by using source documents. After that, information included in the source document should be recorded in the prime in the books. Then, information included in the prime in the books should be recorded in the ledger. Think ledger can be maintained by using two methods: general ledgers as well as sub ledgers. Sub ledgers further can be divided by two parts: debtors ledger and creditors ledger. By closing ledger accounts in the general ledger, you have to prepare trial balance. Step number 5. If trial balance is not equal, error correction. After that adjustment, then preparing financial statement. We have discussed already all the primary books: cash receipt journal, cash payment journal, purchase return journal, sales return journal, and petty cash payment journal. As well as I have discussed last week, general journal also. Today I'm going to discuss all the primary books together. You have to know how to record in the general ledger, and you have to know how to prepare trial balance. As well as I will discuss how to prepare debtors ledger, debtor list, creditors ledger, and creditor list. Thing information included in the primary books should be recorded in the ledger accounts. 30 steps. Therefore, ledger can be maintained by using two methods: general ledger, sub ledgers. Double entry system should be applied only general ledger. Sub ledgers, debtors and creditors ledger, there is no double entry. Single entry system should be applied. First one, you have to know how to prepare ledger accounts in the general ledger, and you have to know how to prepare trial balance also. After that, I will discuss how to prepare debtors ledger, debtor list, and creditors ledger, credit list. All the primary books is given. Very, very important this example. Right. See the example. It has given cash receipt journal, cash payment journal, purchase journal, purchase return journal, sales journal, sales return journal. First one, see the example. Given all the primary book except petty cash. කොහොම මේ ගානේ තියෙන්නේ petty cash payment journal එක නැතුව අනිත් එක ඔක්කොම දීලා තියෙන්නේ. Therefore, you have to know how to maintain general ledger and debtors and creditors ledger. I think additional first one, it has given purchase journal and purchase return journal, as well as given cash payment journal. Third one. Fourth one, sales journal. and sales return journal, as well as given cash receipt journal and general journal also it has given. Then this is the general journal. Last week I have discussed general journal should be recorded. There are 5 type of transaction. Opening balance should be records, closing balance should be records, and adjustment should be records, error correction should be records, as well as non-current assets, purchase or sales on credit basis should be recorded in the general journal. Last week I have discussed. Right. Now I'm going to discuss how to prepare ledger accounts in the general ledger as well as debtors and creditors ledger. And I will discuss how to prepare trial balance in the general ledger. And data list, creditors list, also you have to prepare creditors ledger. Right. It has given opening balances also. Think for this one. Composition of debtors is given. Additional 8 other information. It has given creditor control account opening balance. It composition is given. Opening balance. Think there are 4 creditors available. Those are relevant for creditors ledger. But from the beginning, I'm going to discuss how to maintain general ledger. And given debtor control account also, opening balance is given. Think about requirements. This example very important. On Megan Hodder Terungan try karanna. Given all the primary books, now I'm going to discuss how to maintain general ledger, debtors and creditors ledger. You have to know how to prepare trial balance also. There are 4 requirements. First one, prepare the relevant ledger accounts in the general ledger and prepare the trial balance in the general ledger. Trial balance. Then prepare the debtors ledger and data list, as well as creditors ledger and creditor list. From the beginning, I'm going to discuss how to maintain ledger accounts in the general ledger. We have discussed already separately, but now it has given all the primary books together. All the primary books it has given together. Right. It started from the general journal. Gana Patanga Mulima general journal again. Iterathina opening balance figure. Think about this example. Additional 7 Patanga. And given general journal, opening balance is given. From the beginning, prepare the ledger accounts and given balance should be recorded as a balance brought forwards. Think general journal, it has given opening balances, motor vehicle, building, land, like that. Opening balance is given. Therefore, you have to prepare ledger accounts and take those value as a balance brought forward from the beginning. And given adjustment also, think bad debts account debit, debtor control account credit, as well as electricity expense account debit, accrual electricity credit. Those are called adjustment, not opening balance. Think opening balance available here, right? Then මුලින්ම කරන්න ඕනේ. We are going to discuss how to prepare general ledger now. දැන් ledger එකට මම post කරනකොට මුලින්ම opening balance තිබුණොත් ඒව balance brought forward කියලා දාගන්න ඕන. ඊට පස්සේ bad debts account debit, debtor control account should be credit. Electricity expense account debit, actual electricity credit. ඔන්න මුලින්ම ගානේ පටන් ගන්න ඕනේ general journal එකේ. ඒක දීලා තියෙනවා අපිට opening balance ටික. මුලින්ම ledger accounts ටික ගහලා මේ ටික දාගන්න balance brought forward කියලා. ledger accounts වල. Right from the beginning I'm going to discuss general ledger. There's trial balance also. මොකද දැන් ගානක් මුලින්ම පටන් ගන්න ඕනේ general journal එකකින්. ඒක තමයි opening balance ටික තියෙන්නේ. Those values should be recorded as a balance brought forwards. ඊට පස්සේ ආපහු මුලින් ඉඳන් all other primary books should be records. It means purchase journal, purchase return, sales journal, sales return, cash receipt journal, cash payment journal. හැබැයි මුලින්ම කරන්න ඕනේ general journal එකේ තියෙන ටික record කරගන්න ඕන. It has given opening balance. Hari. From the beginning, I'm going to discuss how to prepare general ledger. Then I will discuss how to prepare trial balance also. Hari. මුලින්ම ledger accounts ටික ගන්න general ledger එකේ. Prepare the ledger account in the general ledger. Right. We start from the general journal. You have to prepare trial balance also. Right. From the beginning, I'm going to discuss how to maintain general ledger. And trial balance also, we have to prepare the general ledger. Like topic general ledger. Start from the general journal. Start from the general journal. Right here, general ledger. General ledger. It has given values in thousand, but now I'm going to disclose those values in million. If it has given big values, to maintain understandability, can be disclosed values in thousand or million. මේ ගාන මම හදන්නේ million වලින්. යන්න additional 7 වලට given general journal, it is include opening balance, prepare the ledger accounts, and record those value as a balance brought forwards. પણ ගොඩක් ඉඩ තියාගන්න මෙන්න මේවට more space. Data control accounts. This one data control accounts. Data control. More space. And creditor control also same way. This one creditor control. Creditor control accounts. And space for cash control also. Cash control. And think about VAT control also. VAT control accounts. VAT control. More space for those kind of ledger accounts. But prepare the ledger account like this. There are more ledger accounts available. Right. Additional 7 given opening balances. Prepare the ledger accounts and record given balances as a BBF. මෙන්න මේ ledger accounts තමයි වැඩිපුර ඉඩ ඕනේ. Therefore more space for that. And see the additional 7. Prepare the ledger accounts and record given balance as a balance brought forwards. Record given balance as a balance brought forwards. And given motor vehicle account balance. Prepare T account and motor vehicle. Motor vehicle. ledger account පොඩක් පොඩියට හදන්නේ ඊට මන්දි නිසා. Motor vehicle account balance brought forwards as a BBF. Prepare the motor vehicle accounts as a balance brought forward 390. මේ ගාන මම හදන්නේ rupees million වලින්. Given values in thousand, further 30 can be cut. Additional 7 given opening balance. Motor vehicle balance brought forward 390. And next one, thing built-in. Prepare the built-in accounts. Also balance brought forwards. There is 440. හදන්න ledger accounts ටික මේ වගේ. Additional 7 වල තියෙන balance ටික දාගන්න ඉස්සරවම. And land also same way. Think land also. Assets, land. It has given opening balance equal 260 as a balance brought forwards. ඔන්න මම ledger accounts පොඩි විදිහට හදන්නේ ඊට මන්දි නිසා. And fixed deposit also given, also assets, fixed deposits, FD, assets, 450, debit side as a balance brought forwards, BBF. And stock inventory also given. Prepare separate ledger account for inventory, nothing stock. Inventory. Balance is given 210. Debit side as a balance brought forwards, BBF. And think data control accounts. We have prepared already. Data control also asset as a balance brought forward, debit side. Think data control account 760. Debit side. Additional 7 given opening balance. Prepare the ledger accounts and record given balance as a balance brought forwards. Cash account also given 120. Think cash account 120. as BBF. මොන ගානේ මුලින්ම කරන්නේ opening balance ටික දාගන්නවා අපි. Those are available general journal. And given bank loan also, bank loan, prepare separate ledger account as a bank loan. Prepare separate ledger account as a bank loan. From the beginning, record opening balances. Like given opening balance, bank loan, separate ledger accounts as a bank loan. Think bank loan, liability as a balance brought forward, credit side 1500 as a balance brought forwards. And given creditor control also, think creditor control account available already. Prepare credit side as a balance brought forwards. More space for data control, creditor control, cash control, VAT control. More space. We have to calculate closing balance also. And given capital account balance, think additional 7 capital account balance brought forward credit side as a capital. It has given balance 520. I will discuss how to prepare trial balance also. Right. On additional 7 වල තියෙන opening balance ටික prepare the ledger accounts and record given balance as a BPF. මුලින් මේ ටික ඉවර කරගන්න. Additional 7, think general journal, opening balance is given. Therefore, prepare the ledger accounts and take record given balance as a balance brought forwards. Then think adjustment also available. Bad debts account debit, debtor control credit, as well as illicit expense account debit, accrual illicit credit. There's trial balance also. Think double entry system should be applied only general ledger. මුලින්ම opening balance එක දාගන්න. We are going to discuss how to prepare general ledger. And you have to consider adjustment also. Think bad debts account debit, debtor control account credit, illicit expense account debit, accrual illicit credit. Those value cannot be recorded as a balance brought forwards. Those are called adjustment. Therefore, double entry system should be applied. Think bad debts account debit, debtor control account credit. මොන මුලින්ම balance ටික දැම්මේ නැත්නම් දාගන්න ඉස්සරම. Then think about adjustment also. Separate ledger account you have to prepare as a bad debts. Prepare bad debts account, debtor control available. Therefore, bad debts accounts, bad debts cannot be recorded as a balance brought forwards. Think bad debts account debit 38, double entry as a debtor control. He has a debtor control accounts. Debtor control account credit as bad debts 38. Think double entry system as a bad debts. Bad debts account debit, debtor control credit. And given accrual electricity also, two separate ledger accounts, electricity expense as well as accrual electricity. Electricity expense account and accrual electricity. Prepare separate ledger account as electricity expense. Electricity expense. Next one, accrual electricity. Think electricity expense account debit 75 should not be recorded as a balance brought forwards. Those adjustment. Electricity account debit as accrual electricity. Accrued electricity account credit as electricity expense. Think electricity expense account debit, accrued electricity credit. Bad debts account debit, debtor control account credit. Those are called adjustment. Think general journal available, opening balances, and adjustment. There are 5 type of transaction can be recorded general journal. Right now we are going to discuss how to maintain general ledger. මුලින්ම කරන්නේ recognition, transaction, and events. After that, information should be collected by using source documents. Then information should be recorded in the ledger accounts. The third step, information should be recorded in the prime end books. දැන් අපි කරන්නේ මේ prime end books වල තියෙන information ledger එකට post කරන විදිහ තමයි මේ තේරුම් ගන්න යන්නේ. ඒතර මුලින්ම කරන්න ඕන දේ තමයි general journal එකේ තියෙන opening balance ටික ඒ ටික balance plot forward කියලා දා ගන්න ඕන. දැන් general journal එක හරි. Now we start from the beginning other primary books. Other primary books think about යන්න මුලටද? Think first one. Purchase journal. Think what is double entry. Think about purchase journal. And purchase return journal. දැන් මුලින් ඉඳන් ඉන්න ඕන. Additional first one given purchase journal. Think 3090. VAT value equal 600 and total value equal 3690. What is the double entry? Purchase account debit this value, VAT control account debit this value, and creditor control account credit total value. Think double entry. Total value should be recorded in the general ledger, not individual value. Purchase account debit, VAT control account debit, creditor control account credit. Purchase return it opposite side. Also total value. Purchase return account credit 321. VAT control account credit 66. And total value creditor control account debits. දැන් මුලින්ම බලන්න අපි කරන්නේ general journal එකේ තියෙන balance ටික දාගන්නවා BVF කියලා. ඊට පස්සේ prime end books ඉතුරු ටික මුල ඉඳන් ඉවර කරන්න ඕන. Total value of journals will be recorded in the general ledger. බලන්න හැම එකෙම total එක අපි දාන්නේ. Purchase account debit, VAT control account debit, creditor control account credit. Purchase return account credit, VAT control account credit, creditor control account debits. Right, recording the ledger accounts, complete purchase journal and purchase return journal. You have to prepare purchase accounts and VAT control account available. Therefore, prepare separate ledger account as a purchase and purchase return. Think purchase accounts as well as purchase return accounts. Think purchase accounts and purchase return. Purchase return. Now then total value should be recorded. Total value. Think purchase journal. Total value equal 3090 purchase account debits. On purchase account debit no 3090. Here 3090. Purchase account debit as a creditor control. It VAT value. VAT control account debits. Double in හොඳට බලන්න. Purchase account debit amount column total value. VAT value 600 VAT control account debit as a creditor control. As a creditor control and creditor control account credit total value 3609. Think about double entry as a purchase. Purchase account debit, VAT control account debit, creditor control account credit. Double entry keep in mind. Total value should be recorded. Double entry system should be applied. Think we are going to discuss general ledger. General ledger. Purchase account debit, VAT value, VAT control account debit, and total value, creditor control account credit. Purchase return it opposite side. Think 321 purchase return purchase return account credit, VAT control account credit, credit control accounts debits. Purchase return account credit, VAT control account credit, credit control accounts debits. Therefore, thing 321, purchase return account credit as a credit control. It VAT value VAT control account credit 66 as a credit control, and total value creditor control account debits 387 as a purchase return. As a purchase return. Think purchase return account credit, VAT control account credit, credit control accounts debits. Total value of journal should be recorded in the general ledger. Journal total purchase journal, purchase return journal. Purchase journal, purchase account debit, VAT control account debit, credit control account credit. Purchase return account credit, VAT control account credit, and credit control accounts debits. Right. හැදුවේ නැත්නම් හදාගන්න. හැදුවා නම් cash payment journal එකට යන්න. Think purchase journal and purchase return journal. You have to know how to prepare trial balance also. Journal total value should be records. Purchase account debit, VAT control account debit, total value credit control credit. Purchase return account credit, VAT control account credit, credit control accounts debits. Then cash payment journal එකට. දැන් අපි කරන්නේ ඉතුරු prime end books ටික මුලින් ඉඳන් complete කරන්න ඕනේ. Other prime end books. Now think cash payment journal, additional third one. මොනේක double int යන විදිය බලන්න. This is a cash payment journal. Total column total value. Cash payment කියන්නේ effect for cash decrease. Therefore cash account credit. මොන cash account credit වෙන්නේ මෙන්න මේ total එක. 4974. Effect for cash decrease. Cash control account credit. All other ledger account debits. Debit වෙන්නේ කොහෙද? VAT control account debits. Purchase account debit. Creditor control account debit. Total value. But expenses you have to prepare separate ledger accounts. In expense available electricity as well as advertisement and loan installments. මොනවා මෙතන වැදගත්. මෙතන මේ installment එකේ තියෙනවා 100,000. ඒකේ expense column එකේ තියෙනවා 20,000. other payment තියෙනවා 80,000. ඒතර other payment තියෙන loan ගෙවපු ගාන. expense වල තියෙන interest ගෙවපු ගාන. When recording information in the ledger in the cash payment journal, think from cash payment journal, you have to prepare separate ledger account for expense and other. මොනවා ආපහු තේරුම් නැත්නම් බලන්න. cash control account credit වෙනවා total එක. cash payment නිසා. VAT control debit, purchase account debit, credit control account debits, expense separate ledger account debits, and other payment also separate ledger account debits. Think how to record information included in the cash payment journal. Total එක දාන්න අපි බලන්න. cash payment එකේ total එක යනවා cash control account එකට. credit වෙනවා. VAT control debit, purchase account debit, credit control account debits. expense එකයි other column එකයි විතරයි වෙනම accounts වලට යන්නේ. ඉතින් other column available building purchase. ඒ කියන්නේ building account එකට. motor vehicle purchase යන්නේ motor vehicle වලට. and then loan installments other column එකේ තියෙන්නේ loan ගෙවපු ගාන loan account debits. and then discount is also available. discount issued credit creditor control account debits. හරි. දැන් cash payment journal එකේ තියෙන ටික ledger එකට post කරන්නකෝ. දැන් අපි අටම එක ledger accounts වල දාන්න ඕන. I have discussed separately. Now it is given together. Right. Cash payment journal. See the cash total column total value. Total column total value. Cash payment journal. Cash control account credit. And all other ledger account debits. හරි. ඔන්න බලන්න හදන විදිය. Total column total value 4,974. 4,974 effect for cash decrease as a total cash payments. As a total cash payments. If it for cash decrease, cash account credit. Debit වෙන්නේ කොහෙද? VAT column එක බලන්නකෝ. VAT control account debits. 399 as a cash. And purchase account debits. Think purchase account available 1700. Purchase account debit as a cash. Closing balance should be calculated. And think payment to creditors column. There is a cash paid for creditors 2220. Creditor control account debits 2220 as a cash. That is a cash paid for creditors. But expenses separate ledger account debits. Kalau මුලින්ම කලේ cash control credit කළා total එක VAT control debit, purchase account debit, creditor control account debit, but expenses available separate ledger accounts. Think electricity 85. Electricity expense account available, therefore 85 debit as a cash. Electricity expense accounts as a cash. And think other expense and give an advertisement, prepare separate ledger accounts. You have to prepare separate ledger account as an advertisement. Think expense column, value is given 90, debit as a cash. And think loan installment, expense column again loan interest. Therefore, here's a loan interest. Loan interest value equal 20,000. On expense column again, when accounts gone pay, therefore should be record only 20, values in million as a cash. Think cash control account credit, total column, total value. After that, VAT value, VAT control account debit, purchase account debit, creditor control account debit, and expenses separate ledger accounts. Electricity expense account available. No need to prepare separate ledger accounts. But advertisement debit, loan interest debit. Other column also same way. Think building purchase available. Building account තියෙනවා debit වෙන්න on 160 as a cash. That's a building purchase. And motor vehicle purchase 220. Motor vehicle account debit 220. Motor vehicle purchase as a cash. Double entry system should be applied. And think loan installment, other column, other payments, it is included loan paid 80. Think loan paid amount equal 80. That value loan account debits. Think loan account also available. Loan account debit as a loan paid 80 as a cash. On a cash payment journal, total column, total value cash control credit, VAT control account debit, purchase account debit, creditor control account debit, expense separate ledger account debit, electricity account debit, advertisement debit, loan interest debit. Other column also given building purchase, motor vehicle purchase, and think loan paid. Cash payment journal, total value, effect for cash decrease, cash control credit, all other ledger account debits. And think given discount received also, discount received is income. Therefore, you have to prepare separate ledger account as a discount received. Therefore, this is a discount received. Discount received is income. Discount received account credit 54 as a creditor control. As a creditor control, and creditor control account available debit. Creditor control account debit value equal 54 as a discount received. On a cash payment journal, total column, total value cash control account credit, cash control credit, and debit VAT control accounts, purchase accounts, creditor control accounts, as well as expenses separate ledger accounts, electricity accounts, advertisement accounts, loan installment එක ඇතුළේ තියෙන interest එක. Therefore, loan interest account debit, loan interest, and discount receipts notified for cash, discount received account credit, creditor control account debits. right හැදුවේ නැත්නම් හදාගන්න එක හැදුවන යන්නේ sales journal එකට sales journal and sales return journal. think cash payment total value prepaid for cash decrease, asset decrease, cash control account credit, debit creditor control, VAT control, purchase account debit, expense separate ledger account debits, other also building purchase, motor vehicle purchase, loan paid, separate ledger accounts debit. Discount received is income, it is notified for cash, discount received account credit, creditor control account debits. Then sales journal and sales return journal. think sales journal and sales return journal. think total values will be recorded. Think about sales journal and sales return journal. What is the double entry? Sales is income credit, sales account credit, VAT control account credit, creditor, debtor control account debits. Sales account credit, VAT control account credit, debtor control account debits. think sales is income, income increase, sales account credit, VAT control accounts credit, and total value debtor control account debits. Sales return it opposite side. Sales return account debit, VAT control account debits, and debtor control account credit. think sales return accounts debit, VAT control accounts debit, debtor control accounts credit. Sales journal, sales account credit, VAT control account credit, and total value debtor control accounts debits. Right, record it. You have to prepare separate ledger account as sales and sales return. Data control available, VAT control also available. That prepare two ledger accounts. Data control available, but you have to prepare sales accounts and sales return accounts. Prepare the ledger accounts, sales account and sales return, sales accounts, as well as sales return accounts, sales return. Now in double entry, sales journal total value, sales account credit, VAT value, VAT control account credit, total value data control accounts debits. Therefore, sales account credit 4,460 as a data control. It VAT value, VAT control account credit, that is a liability 770 as a data control, and total value data control account debit 5,230 as a sales on a sales journal. think sales accounts, sales account credit, it VAT value, VAT control account credit, total value data control accounts debits. Double entry system should be applied only general ledger. Data control debit total value together with VAT, and sales account credit, VAT control account credit. VAT collection on sales is a liability. And think about sales return also. think sales return account debits value equal 351. Therefore, 351 sales return account debit as a data control. It VAT value, VAT control account debit 123 as a data control. Data control account credit as a sales return total value. think as a sales return total value equal 474. Double entry system should be applied only general ledger. think double entry, data control account debit, sales account credit, VAT control account credit. Sales return, data control account credit, Sales return account debit, VAT control accounts debit. Double entry system should be applied in the general ledger. Journal total value should be recorded. For example, we discuss now it has given all the prime numbers together. Practically, it has given like this. I think there are 8 prime books. From the beginning, you have to know how to record each and every transaction in the prime books. Then you have to know how to record those information in the ledger. තව එකක් තියෙනවා cash receipt journal. ඔන්න මේක තාම රෙකෝඩ් කරලා නැත්නම් රෙකෝඩ් කරගන්න. ඉතින් sales account credit, VAT control account credit, debtor control account debits. Sales return account debit, VAT control account debit, debtor control should be credit. Now think cash receipt journal also. ඔන්න මේක තාම රෙකෝඩ් කරලා නැත්නම් රෙකෝඩ් කරගන්න. I will discuss how to prepare trial balance also. Now see the cash receipt journal. Cash receipt journal. See the cash receipt journal. Effect for cash increase as a result of cash receipts. They think cash control accounts debit. සල්ලි හම්බුනාම cash වැඩි වෙනවා බලන්න. think cash receipt journal double entry. Total column total value. This value 6,829. Cash control account debit. All other ledger account credit. සල්ලි අපිට හම්බුනාම cash වැඩි වෙනවා. asset එකක් වැඩි වෙනවා. Cash control account debit වෙනවා බලන්න. 6,829. VAT control account credit, sales account credit, debtor control credit, income separate ledger account credit, other also separate ledger account credit. Discount allowed also given, discount allowed account debit, debtor control account credit. Think cash receipt journal, effect for cash increase, total column total value, cash control debit, VAT control credit, sales account credit, debtor control credit, income and other separate ledger account credit. But discount allowed expense, discount allowed account debit, debtor control account credit. Discount allowed is not debit for cash. Discount allowed account debit, debtor control account credit. Total value should be records. Right. Think cash receipt total value, cash control accounts debit as a total cash receipts. Record it. Think cash receipt total column total value. Effect for cash increase 6,829. Cash account debits. If cash account debit 6,829 as a total cash receipts. Total cash receipts. All other ledger account credit. Think VAT column 339 credit 339 as a cash. And cash sales also given. Therefore, cash sales 2,500 sales account credit as a 2,500 as a cash. Cash account debit, sales account credit. And debtor, think cash receipt from debtor, cash account debit, debtor control account credit 3,261. Debtor control credit as a cash. Cash account debit, debtor control account credit. Think cash account debit total value, VAT control account credit, sales account credit, as well as debtor control account credit. Think income, it has given separate ledger accounts. Rent income, dividends income, commission income. You have to prepare separate ledger accounts. Prepare the ledger accounts and as a cash should be recorded credit side. Therefore, it has given other rent income as a rent income. Separate ledger accounts. Credit side as a cash. උන අපිට සල්ලි හම්බෙලා තියෙන්නේ cash account debit, rent income credit. Cash account debited already total value. Therefore, separate ledger account credit, rent income credit. Next one, dividends income also credit. Prepare separate ledger account as a dividends income. Dividends income also credit as a cash 64. Dividends income account credit 64 as a cash. And think commission income also given. Commission income. Therefore, commission income also credit. Commission income account credit 76. මේ පාඩම තේරුම් ගන්න උපරිම try එකක් දෙන්න ළමයි. You have to know how to maintain general ledger. Think cash control account debit, total cash receipts cash control debit, VAT control account credit, sales value sales account credit, and cash receipt from debtor control credit, income separate ledger account credit, rent income, dividends income, interest income. Other also, think other column available bank loan. When a loan එක කරා loan account credit as a cash loan account credit value equal 274. Cash account debit, loan account credit. And given other column capital also, capital or invested cash as a capital, cash account debit, capital account credit. Therefore 234 as a cash. On a cash receipt journal, total value cash control account debit, VAT value VAT control credit, sales account credit, cash receipt from debtor control account credit, and income separate ledger accounts. Think rent income, dividends income, commission income, credit. And other column, it has given capital as well as loan. Think loan, cash account debit, loan account credit. Capital also capital account credit as a cash. Total value already debited to the cash accounts. Therefore, no need to record separately in the cash accounts. As a total cash payments, total value can be recorded. And think it has given discount allowed also. Discount allowed. Therefore, you have to prepare separate ledger account as a discount allowed also. Discount allowed is expense, not paid for cash, but it is paid for debtor control accounts. Therefore, in discount allowed expense debit 69 as a debtor control. Debtor control account credit 69 as a discount allowed. Think double entry. Discount allowed account debit, debtor control account credit. Then total cash receipts, cash control account debit, VAT control credit, sales account credit, debtor control account credit, rent income, interest income, dividends income, separate ledger account credit, and capital as well as loan credit. But think discount allowed, expense not paid for cash, it is paid for debtors. Discount allowed account debit, debtors account credit. On the ledger accounts ටික හරි. Think general ledger account හරි දැන්. Now you have to know how to prepare trial balance also. Now calculate closing balance. ඔන්න තාම record කරලා නැත්නම් record කරගන්නකො. Cash control account debit, all other ledger account credit. Then think how to prepare trial balance also. You have to calculate closing balance each and every ledger accounts. Think trial balance means summary of the ledger accounts. On trial balance කියන්නේ summary of the ledger accounts. Now you have to calculate closing balance each and every ledger accounts. ඔන්න දැන් හැම ledger එකක්ම balance carry down කරන්න ඕන අපි. ඒතර මම මේකේ දැන් ඔක්කොම balance කරන්න යන්නේ නැහැ. එකක් විතරක් තියෙනවා නම් ඒවා දැම්ම balance කරන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. දෙකට වඩා වැඩියෙන් තිබුණොත් balance කරගන්න. And calculate closing balance. Prepare the summary of the ledger accounts. Think trial balance should be prepare only general ledger. Reason double entry system should be applied only general ledger. Right. Now try to calculate closing balances. We are going to discuss how to prepare trial balance in the general ledger. Now you have to know how to calculate closing balances. Summary of the ledger account, it is called trial balance. Sorry, then closing balance කොහොම අපි මෙන්න මේ වගේ එකක් විතරක් තියෙනවා නම් ඒවා හොයන්න ඕන නෑ. මේ වගේ දේවල්. හැබැයි දෙකක් හෝ ඊට වඩා වැඩියෙන් තිබුණොත් balance එක ගන්න ඕන. හරි, debtor control. හොයන්න බලන්න. asset debit පැත්ත වැඩි. creditor control closing balance හොයන්න. Then cash also you have to calculate closing balance. VAT control account closing balance will be calculated. VAT control accounts සාමාන්‍ය credit balance එකක් එන්නේ. motor vehicle also asset balance carry down. දෙකක් හෝ ඊට වඩා වැඩියෙන් තිබුණොත් closing balance හොයන්න. මේව ඕනේ. Bank loan you have to calculate closing balance. Think how to prepare trial balance also. Electricity also there are two transactions. Purchase total value should be calculated. Sales account also total sales should be calculated. Total sales. අනිත් ඒවා එකක් විතරක් තියෙන නිසා capital එක ගන්න ඕන. Capital balance should be carried down. Closing balance should be calculated. Summary of the ledger account, it is called trial balance. Balance කරන්න බලන්න. Calculate closing balances. In summary of the ledger account, it is called trial balance. Debtor assets debit පැත්ත වැඩි. Therefore calculate closing balance. Right, debit side total value. මුලින්ම වැඩි පැත්තේ total එක ගන්න. Therefore debit side total මඩ equal 5,590. 5,590. Difference value as a balance carry down. Calculate difference value. Debit පැත්ත වැඩි. Take same value other side. From this value deduct these four value. Difference value as a balance carry down. Here as a balance carry down. Value equal 2,148. 2,148. That value as a balance brought forwards. Debit side also 2,148. Take increase side total values. Then difference value as a balance carry down. Like that, try to calculate all the ledger accounts. We are going to discuss trial balance also. Right. Creditors liability, credit පැත්ත වැඩි. Therefore credit side total amount equal 4,300. Same value other side. Difference value as a balance carry down. That value should be recorded credit side as a balance brought forwards. Think how to maintain general ledger. Therefore creditors closing balance equal creditors closing balance. Creditors account closing balance should be calculated. Difference value as a balance carry down from debit side to credit side. Then difference value equal 1,639. 1,639. That value should be recorded credit side as a balance brought forwards. Like that, all the ledger account balance should be carried down. We are going to discuss how to prepare trial balance. Think how to maintain general ledger. Double entry system should be applied general ledger. पण අපි මේ discuss කරන්නේ දැන් prime and books වල තිබ්බේව ledger එකට post කරන විදිය. After that I will discuss how to prepare trial balance. If it is not equal, next lesson error correction. I think cash control also. Cash control also debit පැත්ත වැඩි. එතකොට debit side total මට equal 6949. Same value other side. Then difference value as a balance carry down. Then difference value equal 1975. Therefore here as a balance carry down 1975. මුලින්ම කරන්නේ වැඩි පැත්තේ total එක ගන්න. Take same value other side. Difference value as a balance carry down. අඩු පැත්තෙන් තමයි carry down කරන්නේ. As a balance brought forwards. Like that all the ledger accounts. Closing balance. Think VAT control. Normally VAT is a liability. Credit side increase. Take credit side total amounts. Normally VAT is a liability. Therefore credit side total amount equal 1175. Same value debit side. And difference value as a balance carry down. Difference value as a balance carry down. Difference value as a balance carry down. Everything closing balance equal 53. Balance carry down and this side as a balance brought forwards. අඩු පැත්තෙන් තමයි carry down කරන්නේ and as a balance brought forward credit side. Like that if there are more transaction take the balance. එකක් විතරක් තියෙනවා නම් ඔය balance එක ගත්තේ නැතුවට කමක් නැහැ. මොකද balance එක ඒ පැත්තෙමයි එන්නේ. And the motor vehicle also debit side increase. Think debit side total amount equal 610. Same value other side. Difference value as a carry down 610. That value should be recorded debit side as a balance brought forwards. Building also same way. Debit side 600. Same value other side as a balance carry down 600. That value as a balance brought forwards debit side. Think how to calculate closing balance. And bank loan also. Bank loan දෙකක් හෝ ඊට වඩා වැඩියෙන් තිබ්බොත් balance එක හොයන්න. Therefore credit side total amount equal 1774. Same value debit side. Difference value as a balance carry down. Think difference value equal 1694. 1694. As a balance brought forward credit side 1694. Closing balance. Capital account also same way. Credit side total amount equal 7754. Take debit side and difference value as a balance carry down 754. That value should be recorded credit side also as a balance brought forward closing balance. We are going to discuss how to prepare trial balance now. Electricity debit side total amount equal 1160. Same value other side as a balance carry down 160. Calculate like that closing balance. Trial balance will be recorded closing balance. Purchase debit පැත්ත වැඩි 4790. Credit side 4790. Therefore difference value as a balance carry down 4790. 4790 as a balance brought forwards. Think how to maintain ledger account in general ledger. Double entry system should be applied and sales also credit side increase 6960. Take that value debit side 6960. Difference value as the balance carry down. Same value. And it should be recorded credit side also as a balance brought forwards. Think first one information should be collected by using source documents. Second one, information should be recorded in the prime end books. Third one, information should be recorded in the prime ledger accounts. On a prime end books වල තියෙන information ledger එකට post කරන විදිය මේ by using double entry system. Think there are more details, more creditors available, but you have to prepare control accounts. Debtor control, creditor control, VAT control, cash control. On a double entry system should be applied only general ledger. Sorry, මුලින්ම balance එක හැදුවේ නැත්නම් හදා ගන්න. And prepare trial balance also. Trial balance කියන්නේ summary of the ledger accounts. Trial balance කියන්නේ summary of the ledger accounts. Sorry, data control accounts. Oh, data control के balance again.
Excuse me, sir.
1990. Yes, here 1990. 5990. Balance is correct.
Sir, creditor control එකෙත් එන්න ඕනේ purchase එකට වැරදිලානේ.
Creditor control එකේ
purchase එකේ
ඔයගෙන creditor control ද?
ඔව් sir. මේ 30යි 90යිනේ එන්න ඕනේ 36 නෙමෙයිනේ.
Yes, yes. Here value should no. Total value should be recorded here. Purchase account should be recorded 390. 3090 should be recorded purchase account here. Then purchase account here should be recorded 3090. But creditor control account should be recorded total value.
Okay,
creditor
sir.
control යන්නේ VAT එකත් එක්ක යන්නේ. Double entry යන්නේ purchase account debit, VAT control account debit, total value creditor control account credit. creditor control, debtor control යන්නේ VAT එකත් එක්ක යන්නේ. ඒ කියන්නේ VAT එක උනම් මෙතන වෙන වෙනම දාන්න පුළුවන් කොහොමදත් මෙතෙන් යන්න ඕන අනිවාර්යෙන් total value. Purchase account debit, VAT control account debits, total value directly can be recorded as a purchase receipt. මේක ඇතුලේ VAT එකත් එක්ක තියෙන්නේ. Right now prepare trial balance. ඔන්න trial balance කියන්නේ summary of the ledger accounts. දැන් මේ ටික ඔක්කොම trial balance එක දාන්න ඕන. Prepare the trial balance also. Summary of the ledger accounts. Trial balance. Only closing balance will be recorded. Closing balance. Therefore, this is the way you have to prepare trial balance. All the ledger accounts will be recorded now. Closing balance. Trial balance can be prepared only general ledger. Therefore, this is the trial balance. Trial balance as at 31st March 2024. This one trial balance. Trial balance as at 31st March 2024. Debit side and credit side. Here description. Description කියන්නේ name of ledger account. මේක අපි හදන්නේ million වලින්. Therefore rupees mn, rupees million to maintain understandability. Summary of the ledger account. First one, draw the format like that and take only closing balance. Take only closing balance. Description, debit and credit. All the ledger accounts. In trial balance. Trial balance as at 31st March 24. Description, debit and credits. Record valuation million. You have to consider only brought forward value. දැන් මේ BBF වල තියෙන හැම value එකක්ම දාන්න මේ If it has available debit side, it will be record debit side. If it has available credit side, it will be record credit side. Think prime in the books, general ledger, trial balance. Right, data control accounts, balance equal 2148. Here, data control accounts, 2148. And creditor control liability. Therefore, as a creditor control, 1639 credit side. You have to consider only closing balance. On the make a hurry, creditor hurry. Cash control, debit side. There as a cash. Debit side, 1975. And then discount allowed also 69. Debit side as a discount allowed. Discount allowed. Closing balance should be record in the trial balance. Summary of the ledger accounts. Debtor closing balance 2148. Creditor closing balance 1639. Cash closing balance. If it has available debit side, should be record debit side. And discount allowed also debit side. ඒ වගේ හැම balance එකක්ම දානවා trial balance එකට. ඒතර මේක තමයි base කරගන්නේ when preparing financial statement. මොන මේකට මුලින්ම මේකට දාන්න ඕන. මුලින්ම කරන්නේ prime books වල දාන එක. ඒ වගේ තියෙනවා ledger එකට දාන්න ඕන. ledger තියෙනවා trial balance එකට දාන්න ඕන. ඊට පස්සේ මේකේ තියෙනවා තමයි income statement financial person වලට යන්නේ. That VAT control 53 credit side liability. Therefore here as a VAT 53 credit side. Motor vehicle debit side 610 as motor vehicle 610. And land 260 land. And fixed deposits 450 as a fixed deposits. And inventory also 210. Inventory 210. Inventory, prepare the trial balance. And bank loan 1694. Bank loan as a bank loan 1694. Liability. Capital 754. 754 capital. Only closing balance should be records. Think summary of the ledger accounts. On a loan hurry, capital hurry. And bad debts debit side expense 38 as a bad debts. As a bad debts 38. Think bad debts value 38. Electricity 160 as electricity 160 expense debit side. Accrued electricity liability. Therefore, accrual electricity value equal 75 liability credit side. Purchase 4790 debit side as a purchase 4790. Summary of the ledger accounts. And given purchase return also 321 credit side as a purchase return. වරද මේක තමයි ඊට පස්සේ බේස් කරන්න අපි to prepare income statement. මුලින්ම source documents. ඊට පස්සේ prime in the box. ඊට පස්සේ ledger එකට දානවා. ඒව තමයි trial balance එකට ගන්න. මේකේ තියෙනවා තමයි ඊට පස්සේ අපි අර යන්නේ income statement and statement of finance process එක තේරුම් ගන්න හොඳට. And think advertisement 90 debit side. Advertisement 90 debit side. Loan interest 20 debit side. Loan interest loan interest 20 debit side, and discount is at 54 income credit side as a discount received, and sales 6,960 sales, and rent income 81 as well as dividends income 64 dividends income should be recorded credit side, dividends income, as well as commission income also 76 credit side as a commission income. Then calculate closing balance. If those are correctly recorded, both sides should be equal. Think source documents, prime and books, ledger, trial balance. Think process. Closing balance should be recorded. Only closing balance. First one, information should be recorded in the prime and books. That part we have discussed separately. Now think how to prepare trial balance also in the general ledger. प्रमाणे journal වල total එක තමයි prime books වල දාන්න අපි. journal වල total එක. ඊට පස්සේ prime and books වල දැම්මට පස්සේ තමයි ledger එකට post කරන්නේ. But prime and books total value should be recorded in the general ledger by using double entry system. Now take total value. Debit side total amount should be equal credit side. Debit side total amount should be equal credit side. Calculate total value also. If those are correctly recorded, trial balance should be equal. Think how to maintain general ledger. On a palavini part. There are more individual debtors and creditors also available. You have to prepare debtor ledger, creditors ledger also. There are more individual debtors and creditors available. I think total will be equal 11,771. 11,771. Credit side also same way. 11,771. If those are correctly recorded, on trial balance එක balance වෙන්නේ නැත්නම් තමයි ඊළඟ පාඩම එන්නේ. Error correction suspense accounts. මොකද දැන් පළවෙනි part එකයි දෙවෙනි part එකයි හරි. මේ ගාන ළමයි වැදගත්. You have to know how to maintain general ledger by using double entry system. Prime and books වල total එක තමයි general ledger යන්නේ. හරි මේ ටික හැදුවනම් හදුවේ නැත්නම් හදාගන්න. Then I will discuss how to prepare debtors ledger and creditors ledger also. දැන් debtors ledger opening balance දීලා තියෙනවා. Debtors opening balance is given. Debtors opening balance is given. හරි මේක ඉවර නම් අපි යන් අරකට. Third recommend as debtors ledger. Third recommend as debtors ledger and data list. Right. Now it has given last adjustment. Think debtors. It has given additional 8. Debtors opening balance it has given individual debtors Saman, Kamal, Nimal as well as Varuna. Debtor opening balance should be recorded as a balance brought forward debtors ledger. When accounts අපි හදානවා debtors ලට. It is called debtors ledger. Effect for debtor credit sales, sales return, cash receipt on debtor, discount allowance. On debtors ledger හදනකොට ඔයගොල්ලෝ බලන්න ඕනේ මෙතන general එකේ තියෙනවා බලන්න bad debts. Bad debts Varuna it has given here. Bad debts effect for debtor decrease. And think about sales journal as well as sales return journal. Effect for debtor increase sales. On sales debit පත්‍ර දාන්න ඕන effect for debtor increase. Sales return if it for debtor decrease should be record credit side. VAT එකත් එක්ක දාන්නේ debtors account වල. Sales effect for debtor increase should be record debit side. Sales return effect for debtor decrease should be record credit side. But double entry එක කියන්නේ නෑ debtors ledger එකේ. You have to apply only single entry system. Single entry system, not double entry. And think cash receipt journal, it has given discount allowance. What discount allowance තියෙනවා බලන්න. Also effect for debtor decrease. And given cash receipt from debtor, see the cash receipt journal, cash receipt from debtor also effect for debtor decrease. Debtors account credit. මොන දැන් මුලින්ම opening balance ටික දාගන්න. යන්න sales journal එකට. Sales effect for debtor increase should be record debit side. ඊට පස්සේ යන්න sales return journal එකට. Effect for debtor decrease should be record credit side. Total value and discount allowed also. Discount allowed also. Effect for debtor decrease credit side. Cash receipt from debtor effect for debtor decrease credit side. And given general journal bad debts also only for Varuna credit side. මොකද අපි discuss කරන්න යන්නේ individual debtors accounts in the debtors ledger, right? There are 4 debtors available, additional 8 given opening balance, right? Prepare the debtors ledger now. And then general ledger එක හරි. Now I'm going to discuss how to prepare debtors ledger. And you have to know how to prepare debtor list also. හරි. දැන් මම මේක අයින් කරමු තෙන්. මෙන්න මේ debtor control එකයි creditor control එකයි හොඳට බලන්න. If those are correctly recorded, debtor control account balance would be equal debtor list balance. Creditor control account balance would be equal credit list balance. ඒ දෙක මම තියාගන්නවා දැනට. Now I'm going to discuss debtors ledger as well as creditors ledger. And then debtor reconciliation, creditors reconciliation කියන පාඩම තේරෙන්නේ මේක තේරුණොත්. Right from the beginning I'm going to discuss how to prepare debtors ledger. There are 4 debtors available. Prepare 4 ledger accounts. Debtors ledger. And think how to prepare debtor list also. Right. First one, debtors ledger. Debtors ledger. 4 debtors. Prepare 4 ledger account. Opening balance is given additional 7. 4 debtors accounts. And think how to prepare debtor list also. No podi ගහන accounts. Debtors ledger. And you have to prepare debtor list also. No මෙතන හදනවා debtor list එක. Debtor list කියන්නේ summary of the debtors accounts. අන්තිමට අපි ගහනවා debtor list එකක්. මේක අපි කියනවා debtor list. ඒක name and amount. අනේ list එකේ balance එකයි control එකේ balance එකයි සමාන වෙන්න ඕන හරිනම්. There are 4 debtors available, 4 debtors accounts. Saman, Kamal, Nimal, Varuna. Saman, Kamal, Nimal, Varuna. Think individual ledger account for debtors. Debtors ledger, 4 debtors available. Prepare 4 ledger accounts and prepare debtor list also. හදාගන්න format එක ledger accounts 4ක් හදාගන්න. We are going to prepare separate ledger account for debtors. Additional 8 it has given balances also. මුලින්ම balance ටික BBF කියලා දාගන්න. Debtors ledger. Then I will discuss creditors ledger also. මොන දැන් තේරුම් ගන්න ඕනේ මේ debtor control එකේ balance එක list එකේ balance එකට equal වෙනවා කියලා. බැරි වෙලාවත් ඔක equal වුනේ නැත්නම් ඊළඟ lesson එක අපිට එනවා debtor reconciliation. Very important this example. හරි Saman, Kamal, Nimal, Varuna. There are 4 debtors. යන්න additional 8 වලට opening balance ටික තියෙනවා. debtor කියන asset එකක්. debit පැති දාගන්න ඕන. As a balance brought forwards. Each debtors additional 185. Kamal 175 as a balance brought forward. Nimal also same way 195 as a balance brought forward. Varun also same way 205. మనం ములింమ කරන්න ඕන දේ. Individual debtors account balance should be recorded as a BBF. Asset debit side. දැන් sales journal එකට. Total column VAT එකත් එක්ක ගන්න අපි sales effect for debtor increase. Debtors account should be debit with VAT price as a sales. All other thing effect for debtor decrease credit side. on a single entry කියන්නේ debtor is assets. If asset increase should be record debit side. If asset decrease should be record credit side. ඒ කියන්නේ මේක debit කළාට වෙන කොහොමවත් credit කරන්නේ නැහැ අපි. double entry එකක් නැහැ මෙතන. double entry system should be apply only general ledger. අන්නේව දෙයා MCQ paper. දැන් sales journal ට යන්නේ. Sales journal total amounts with VAT effect for data increase debit පැත්ත දාගන්න 1110 as a sales සමන් 1450 as a sales Kamal Nimal 1590 as a sales as well as Varuna 1080 VAT එකත් එක්ක දාන්නේ as a sales effect for data increase asset increase debit side ඕක විතර debit වෙන අනිත් ඔක්කොම credit වෙන්නේ sales return discount allowance bad debts cash receipt on debtor sales journal total value debit දැන් sales return journal එකට ඒකෙත් VAT එකත් එක්ක effect for debtor decrease credit side 133 as a sales return සමන් Kamal 122 as a sales return 114 Nimal as a sales return and 105 Varuna as a sales return credit side like that all the transaction effect for data should be recorded debtors ledger also single entry system should be applied on sales should be recorded debit side sales return should be recorded credit side with that price මේ ටික හදාගත්ත නැත්නම් හදාගන්න ඊට පස්සේ යන cash receipt journal එකට discount allowed cash receipt from debtor also credit side effect for debtor decrease යන cash receipt journal it has given additional 6 it has given cash receipt journal ඒකේ මුලින්ම discount allowed එකට යන්න effect for debtor decrease discount allowed කියලා credit කරන්න ඕන සමන් 15 16 Kamal as a discount allowed 14 Nimal as a discount allowed credit side and Varuna 24 single entry system as a discount allowed effect for data decrease credit side and see the cash receipt on data also think data receipts it has given cash receipt on data receipts also effect for data decrease as a cash 765 as a cash 934 as a cash 934 and 826 Nimal as a cash and 736 as a cash Varuna think cash is from data if it for data decrease their data account credit and given bad debts also only Varuna general journal only general journal ke bad debts Varuna 38 only Varuna credit as a bad debts as a bad debts Varuna 38. Single entity system effect for data decrease. Right now calculate closing balance. Summary of the ledger account, it is called data list. Calculate closing balance also. You have to know how to prepare data list. Single entry system. On whenever accounts of on a data select. Calculate closing balance. Data is assets. Data's la වැඩි වෙනවා debit පත්‍ර දාන්න ඕන. අඩු වෙනවා credit පත්‍ර දාන්න ඕන. Data's ledger. Calculate closing balance also. Normal debit side increase. Therefore, here debit side automatically equal 1295. Take same value other side. And difference value as a balance carry down. Difference value as a balance carry down. Therefore, 382. 382 as a balance carry down. 382 as a balance brought forwards. Like that, calculate closing balance. Normal debit side increase assets. Debit pati totally ganna. Same values will be report other side also. And difference value as a balance carry down. Difference value as a balance carry down. Therefore, here 553 carry down. Calculate like that closing balance. You have to know how to prepare data list also. Data is asset normal debit side increase. Therefore, take the debit side total amounts. Take same value other side. And difference value as a balance carry down. You have to know how to prepare data list also. Summary of the ledger accounts. Therefore, here balance equal 831. 831. Calculate closing balance. Varun also debit side increase. Data normal asset. All the asset account normal debit side increase normally. Take same value other side. And calculate closing balance also. Then prepare summary of the ledger accounts. $382 as a balance brought forward debit side. And complete data list also. If there are more individual data available, you have to prepare separate ledger account for data. It is called data ledger. Then you have to prepare summary of the data account. It is called data list. Right. Then data list, name and amount. Thing saman. Saman closing balance 382. Kamal also closing balance 553. Nimal closing balance 831. And Varuna closing balance equal 382. Calculate closing balance also. Think how to record transaction in the data ledger. Then you have to know how to prepare data list also. Think double entry system should be applied only general ledger. Single entry system should be applied data ledger. දැන් බලන්න ගාන අපි හරියට හැදුවා නම් මෙන්න මේ data control එකේ balance එකයි list එකේ balance එකයි සමාන වෙන්න ඕන. think data list balance also equal 2148. මේ දෙක equal වෙන්නේ නැත්නම් තමයි ඊළඟ lesson එක එන්නේ. single entity system should be apply debtors ledger. මේ තමයි debtors ledger එක බලන්න. debtors ledger. List also available debtors ledger. On a debtors ledger. Individual ledger accounts. There are 4 debtors available. 4 ledger accounts. Single entity system should be applied, not double entity system. Double entry system should be applied only general ledger. But debtors ledger, there is no double entry. You have to apply single entry system. You can debtors la වැඩි වෙනවා debit කරන්න ඕන බලන්න. Sales together with VAT. Effect for data increase debit side. Sales return, discount allowance, cash receipts, bad debts. Effect for data decrease credit side. ඔන්න debtors ledger data list. හැදුවේ නැත්නම් complete කරගන්න. Then think creditors also. There are 4 creditors available. Prepare 4 ledger account for creditors also. You have to know how to prepare creditors ledger and creditor list also. Additional 8 is given. Opening creditors balance also given. You have to consider credit purchase, purchase return, cash paid for creditors, discount receipts. Think general ledger, sub ledgers. Sub ledgers mainly can be divided by 2 parts: debtors ledger and creditors ledger. ඔනවා debtors ledger එකේ sales විතර debtors ලා debit වෙන්නේ. අනිත් හැම එකක්ම. ඒ කියන්නේ discount allowed, sales return, cash receipt, bad debts. Effect for data decrease should be record credit side. Data list කියන්නේ summary of the debtors accounts. If those are correctly recorded, debtor control account balance should be equal debtor list balance. Right now, think creditors ledger also same way. Think creditors ledger. There are 4 creditors available. They have prepared 4 creditors account also. Creditors ledger, creditors ledger, 4 creditors, prepare 4 ledger accounts, 4 creditors accounts. And you have to prepare summary of the creditors account also. It is called creditor list. Credit list. And prepare separate statement as a creditors list. Name and amount. Creditor list. Think there are 4 creditors. Additional 8. It has given Vinodi as well as Nivodi, next one Janani, and Dilusa. 4 creditors available. And prepare creditors list also. This one creditor list. Creditor list. Here name and amount. Name and amounts. You have to prepare data list also. Prepare the 4 ledger accounts. And balances available additional 8. Credit is liability. Opening balance will be recorded credit side as a BBF. Then effect for creditor, credit purchase, credit side. Purchase return, debit side. Discount allowance, discount receipts, debit side. Cash paid for creditors, debit side. Credit when is purchase විතරයි. අනිත් හැම එකම debit when. මුලින් balance ටික දාගන්න. You have to know how to prepare credit list also. Additional 8 given opening balance. Record values in million as a balance brought forward credit side. We know the opening balance equal 160. Credit side as a BBF. Nivodi 190. Credit side BBF. Janani 120. Credit side as a BBF. As well as 140. Dilusi 140. as a balance brought forward debit side. Balance brought forward credit side. Those are liability. මුලින් balance ටික දාගන්න. Then see the purchase account also. See the purchase accounts. Right, and purchase account purchase accounts. It is given from the beginning additional 1 and 2. You have to consider 1, 2, 3. Purchase together with VAT. Effect for credit increase. Credit side as a purchase. For them purchase tika credit වෙනවා. Purchase return, discount receipts, cash paid. Effect for credit decrease, debit side. Right, යන්න purchase journal එකට total value. It means together with VAT as a purchase to be recorded credit side. 930 Nivodi as a purchase. 1000 Janani as a purchase. And 980 Dilusa as a purchase. Effect for credit increase, credit side. And see the purchase return journal, debit side, individual value as a purchase return. 106 as a purchase return. With VAT price should be recorded, VAT එකත් එක්ක අපි දාන්නේ as a purchase return. 78 also as a purchase return. And see the cash payment journal, discount is available. Also, if it for credit decrease as a discount receipts, 12, 16. See the cash receipt journal, so the cash payment journal, discount receipts. If it for credit decrease, should be recorded debit side as a discount received. And then cash payment also given for creditors. Cash paid for creditors 440 as a cash. Nivodi 510 as a cash. Janani 630 as a cash. Then 640 Dilusa as a cash. If it for credit decrease, should be recorded debit side. Think how to prepare creditors ledger also. Then try to calculate closing balance. You have to prepare summary of the ledger account also. It is called creditors list. That credit side increase. Calculate closing balance also. For creditors වැඩි වෙන්නේ if it for purchase විතරයි. Therefore purchase if it for credit increase credit side. Purchase return, discount receipts, cash paid for creditors. Effect for credit decrease, debit side. Then summary of the ledger accounts. You have to calculate closing balance also. Calculate closing balance each and every creditors. We are going to prepare credit list also. Summary of the ledger accounts. Right now, where credit side increase. Calculate closing balance. Credit path total ගන්න. Here 940. Same value debit side. Difference value as a balance carry down. Difference value as a balance carry down. 373 as a balance carry down. 373. Credit side also as a balance brought forward same value. Like that, take credit side liability, normally credit side increase. Therefore here 1120. Same value will be equal to debit side. And difference value as a balance carry down. Therefore here 488. 488. Brought forward credit side. Think how to prepare creditors list also. Creditors ledger. And Janani credit side 1120. 1120. Difference value as a balance carried down. Normally creditors credit side increase. Difference value as a balance carried down. Therefore 391. That value credit side as a balance brought forwards. All the ledger accounts. There are more creditors available. Take credit side total amounts. Same value should be recorded debit side. Difference value as a balance carried down. Think how to prepare creditors ledger and creditor list also. Summary of the ledger accounts. Effect for creditor, credit purchase, purchase return, cash paid for creditors, and discount received. Then name and amounts. Think there are 4 creditors available, 4 creditors. Therefore, here name Pinodi. Think value Pinodi, Nivodi, Janani. Write the name. And Dilusa. Take the balances also. Take the balances. We know the balance equal 373. 373 balance. Here 488 Nimodi and 391 Janani. There is a 387. Calculate total value also. If those are correctly recorded, closing balance would be equal creditor control account balance also. If those are correctly recorded, closing balance would be equal. Think total value 1639. 1639. Single entry system to be applied. Think debtors ledger, creditors ledger. There are more creditors available. You have to prepare a separate ledger account for creditors also. Summary of the ledger accounts. We have discussed how to record information in the primary books. We have discussed how to record information in the general ledger by using double entry system, and think how to prepare trial balance also. Trial balance by closing ledger accounts. Think process. අපි මේ යන්නේ මොනවා කරන්නද මේ යන්නේ? How to prepare financial statement. අපි යන්නේ sole proprietorship partnership company වල income statement, statement of financial position, statement of change in equity අන්නේම හදන්න යන්න අපි. This is the process all the business organizations should be applied. First one, changes in resource of the business organization should be recognized as a transaction and events. Then information included in the source documents. On a මුලින්ම කරන්නේ transaction and events. Then information should be collected by using source documents. After that, information should be recorded in the primary books. මොකද අපි information primary books වල දාලා ledger එකට post කරලා trial balance එක හදලා on trial balance if it is not equal error correction. මොකද දැන් බලන්න ඊළඟ පාඩමේ base එක වටින්නේ මේ පාඩමේ. trial balance එක equal වෙන්නේ නැත්නම් ඊට පස්සේ අපි යනවා error correction, profit correction, suspense accounts. ඒකම debtor control account balance would be equal debtor list balance. but debtor control account balance would be equal debtor list balance. ගාන හරියට හැදුවා නම් මේ දෙකේ equal වෙන බලන්න. මේ තමයි debtor control account balance. should be equal debtor list balance. මේ දෙකේ equal වෙන්න ඕන. and think creditor control account balance should be equal credit list balance. Creditor list balance. ඔය දෙක equal වෙන්නේ නැත්නම් next lesson creditors reconciliation, debtor reconciliation. ඔන්න මම දැන් හිතන්න ඕනේ මේ control එකේ balance එකයි list එකේ balance එකයි equal වෙන්නේ නැති වෙන්නේ මොකක් වගේ දෙයක් වුණොත්. වැරදි පැත්ත දැම්මොත්, වැරදි amount එකක් දැම්මොත්, balance කරන්න වැරදුනොත්, ඔක්කොම හරියට හදලා list එකට ගන්නකොට වැරදිලා. අන්න එහෙම දේවල් වුණොත් ඊළඟ lesson එක අපිට එනවා debtor reconciliation. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ පාඩමෙන් තමයි error correction part එකයි reconciliation part එකයි තේරෙන්නේ base එක වැටෙන්නේ. Therefore you have to know how to maintain general ledger. මේ ගාන ආපහු හදන්න ළමයි වැදගත් එච්චරකට. general ledger ඔන්න තේරුම් ගන්න දැන් general ledger sub ledgers. Sub ledgers debtors ledger creditors ledger. If there are more similar ledger accounts, if there are more debtors and creditors, all the individual debtors and creditors should be removed from the general ledger. We have to maintain only one ledger account in the general ledger. It is called control accounts. Debtor control එක තියෙන්නේ debtors ලා වෙනුවෙන්. creditor control එක තියෙන්නේ creditors ලා වෙනුවෙන්. හරිනම් creditor control account balance will be equal credit list balance. Debtor control account balance will be equal debtor list balance. We have been discussing lesson 4. අපි දැන් මේ යන්නේ sole proprietorship partnership company වලට. Our ultimate objective, we are going to discuss how to prepare financial statement to provide information to the interest party. Financial statement හදන්න යන process එක තමයි මේ. මුලින්ම කරන්නේ transaction and events, changes in resource of the business organization should be recognized as a transaction and events. After that, information should be collected by using source documents. After that, information should be recorded in the prime in the books. ඊට පස්සේ තමයි ledger එකට post කරන්න අපි. ඊට පස්සේ තමයි trial balance එක හදන්නේ. ඒක equal වෙන්නේ නැත්නම් තමයි error correction එන්නේ. ඊට පස්සේ adjustment and preparing financial statement. මේ පාඩමෙන් තේරුම් ගන්න දේ තමයි general ledger, sub ledgers. Double entry system should be applied only general ledger. But debtors and creditors ledger single entry system. Double entry එකක් යන්නේ නැහැ. එක entry එකක් විතරයි යන්නේ. මේක හැදුවේ නැත්නම් කම්ප්ලීට් කරගන්න. මේ ගාන ආපහු හදන්න ළමයි වැදගත්. දැන් අපි ඉස්සරහට යන්නේ debtor reconciliation, creditors reconciliation, error correction discuss කරන්න යන්නේ. ඒවට basic වැටෙන්නේ මේ ගානේ. මේ ගාන ආපහු හදන්න try එකක් දෙන්න. හරි එහෙනම් අපි ඊට ටික ඊළඟ දවසේ බලමු. Good night.